Guys, I'm done and doing job repair chiller in Robinson. It's night. I am one person here. So, and the front is the guard that fencing here Robinson. So, this time I'm going home and take the rest of my life to sleep and reserve my energy because tomorrow is another work. And after my work, I do my daily activities, auditing my job, thinking the solution what I need to do tomorrow. That is the reason why I'm lack of sleep. Sometimes lack of sleep because of work, because of extra work, because it needs to work and work and work and improve. This is the reason why so it's not easy job, but it's okay. Even lack of sleep, it needs to eat more, stay safe, stay healthy. Body too weak, but when I relax myself, I get back my energy, so I continue my work. It's easy, but it's okay. That's all, guys, for tuning in my YouTube channel, and thank you. Bye bye. See you to the next video. Bye bye.